Good morning, children. Sairam. Welcome to your English class, children. Children, today we will do revision of chapter 1.2, a synopsis, The Swiss Family Robinson. Children, it is an adventure novel written by Joan David Wiz, and it has been enjoyed by people for more than 200 years. Children, there are so many movies also made on this adventure novel. So today we will revise lesson number 1.2, a synopsis, The Swiss Family Robinson. Children, you had learned that this family, that is William, Elizabeth and their 4 children, they had been traveling in a ship, and that ship was caught in a great storm. The family weathered the storm and they successfully reached an island. And by making prudent use of resources, they had made 4 homes. Yes, let us revise which were the 4 homes made by them. Yes, now the first home, that is the Robinson family's first home, was a tent on the island. They cut and spread armloads of grass to serve as their beds and soften the floor of the tent. So the first home was a tent on the island. Okay. Now the second home was a tree whose trunk was nearly 40 feet in diameter. The branches were long and extended straight out from the trunk, making them a perfect platforms for a structure. So the second home was a tree. The third home was a cave which they carved out in a rock abutting their camping site. They made an opening on the smooth face of the rock, cut windows in the rock to allow for cross currents of air and sunlight to enter the cave. They made 4 rooms complete with a fireplace. Children, their fourth home, they used 4 strong trees growing in a square near one another as a foundation for their fourth home. The trees were of equal size, approximately 12 feet apart. Thus, they built another safe home. Yes, so this was a tree house. Okay, so they had made 4 different homes by making the resources which were available in the vicinity. Okay, now children, from the exam point of view, you will be given the extract and the questions will be asked on that. So let's have a look what type of questions you will be getting. Okay, first you have to read the extract carefully. Here I have given one example of an extract. Let us read it. Okay. Over the next few days, William, that is father, attached the floatable old kegs to one another and built a bow that curved around them. The family had landed successfully on the island. They set up a tent and softened the floor with armloads of grass they cut and spread to serve as their beds. They came to a grove of trees. One tree grew what looked like goats on its trunk. The father told Fritz the guards would make excellent bowls and spoons, and they cut them into various utensils. After some days, Elizabeth informed William that she wanted the family to move to a safer place. Their current camp was not only exposed but also very dry and hot. If they built a house up in one of the large trees, they would be safe from jackals. She described a perfect tree for the project, one whose trunk was nearly 40 feet in diameter. The branches were very long and extended straight out from the trunk, making them perfect platforms for a structure. Later, When determining the height of the lowest branches, the father taught the boys geometry and how to use triangles to measure big objects. He measured a defined distance from the trunk. Then he calculated angles using several measured rods, determining that the lowest branch was 30 feet off the ground. Now children, in the examination you will be given the extract, okay, and there will be some questions, okay. It will be objective type. You have to choose the correct answer, okay. Now first you have to read the passage very carefully before answering the questions, okay. Okay, now children, just have a look at the questions. Now the first one, what was used for making excellent bowls and spoons by the Robinson family? First option is knotted rope. Second option, grass. Third option, gourds. So children, you have to select the correct answer. Yes, I have highlighted it so that it is easy for you to identify which is the correct answer. In the exam, children, you have to just click on the correct option, okay. So the first one, what was used for making excellent bowls and spoons by the Robinson family? A knotted rope, grass or gourds. So you have to click the correct answer, okay. Now second one, why did mother wish to shift the family to a tree house? Yes, your children, three options are given. First one, their current camp was not only exposed but also very dry and hot. Second option, she wanted a house that would be safe from dacoits. It was very cold. Now children, again here the correct answer is highlighted, okay. But in the examination, again I am repeating, in the exam you have to just click on the correct option. So here, why did the mother wish to shift the family to a tree house? Because their current camp was not only exposed but also very dry and hot. So that is the correct answer. You have to read the passage very carefully before answering the questions, okay. Now third one, pick out the correct compound word. Children, I have taught you about the compound words, yes. So you have to click the correct answer again. The first one is given softened, arm loads, attached. So arm loads is the correct answer. Arm loads means, children, what do you mean by arm loads? The amount or quantity that you can carry in a arm or both the arms. So you have to select the correct answer, okay. Now pick out the word from the extract that means barrels. So again here, kegs, grove, bow. So the correct answer is kegs, okay. Choose the correct noun form of describe. So you have to choose the, children, you have to learn the noun form, verb form, adjective, adverb, anything can be asked, okay. So you should have a thorough knowledge about word formation. So here it is given, the options are given as descriptive, describable, description. So the correct answer is description. So the noun form is description. So you have to click on the correct answer. Now here, the branches were very long. Choose the correct question tag. The branches were very long, weren't they? The branches were very long, were they? The branches were very long, did they? So you have to choose the correct answer, correct question tag. The branches were very long, weren't they? So you have to click on A option, okay. So you have to be thorough with your lesson, okay, and you will be given the extract in the exam and the choice will be given. There could be questions like true or false also, okay. True or false, name the following, options will be given. You have to just click on the correct option, okay. Children, this was just a sample which I had given you, that what type of questions you will be getting in your exam. you will be given the extract, don't worry, and you have to just click on the correct option. So children, we have completed 2 revisions. One was about the poem Life, and this is the synopsis, the Swiss Family Robinson. So 2 revisions we have done, children. Now we'll be having a third revision wherein the grammar topics, that is a revision will be on the grammar topics and writing skills, that is whatever topics you're having for grammar, transformation of sentences, and you have homographs, homophones, compound words. Okay, so there will be one more revision lecture so that you will be perfect for your exam. You'll be ready for your exam, and don't take any tension. Okay, it will be very easy for you. You have to be thorough with what you have. Okay, revise it properly, read the lesson properly, and children, this was just as I told you, it's a sample. So what you should do, you should refer all the videos. Now this lesson, it was divided into 3 parts for you to understand it. Okay, so you watch the video on YouTube, children. The link is provided to you. Now the part 1 link is given here. Okay, then you can have a look at the part 2. You have a detailed explanation, okay, of the lesson. It is divided into parts for you to understand. So part 2 link has been provided to you. Okay, you just visit this and try to find it and read this lesson thoroughly. You can have a detailed explanation of that lesson so that it will be more clear to you. Then part 3 link also is provided, wherein all the activities which are there in your textbook, the grammar part, everything has been covered in part 3. So revise it thoroughly. It will be definitely helpful for you during your which will be helpful for you for your upcoming examination. So children, revise the lesson thoroughly. Okay, thank you my dear students. I hope this revision lesson was very helpful for you. It will be definitely helpful for you for your exam. So revise the lesson regularly. Okay children, thank you my dear students.